Hello guys, today we're going to look at how you can use a Criss Cross method uh, to solve expressions and equations. It's such a powerful way that you can able to use it to solve fractions and a fractional equation. So if you have say 2 plus 3/4 and you want to add it, you can use a Criss Cross method. So you know that you're going to multiply both denominators, and that have to come at the bottom. So 5 times 4. Then you do Criss Cross multiplication, top to down. Same thing for here. So when you're here, it's 2 times the 4. Then you bring your sign, and then when you're here, you always write the numerator first, which is 3 times 5, which become 2 times 4, that give you 8. You bring your plus, and then 3 times 5, that give you 15, or divided by 5 times 4, that give you 20. Then you add the numerator, which is 8 plus 15, that give you 23, and then 20. At this time, you cannot simplify any further, so you stop here, and with the use of the Criss Cross method, you are able to add this fraction. All right, let's use it for the second example. So here you have 1 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 9. We can use the same Criss Cross method to solve this. Remember, this is an expression. So here we multiply the denominators. Put it here, 7 times 9. And then do Criss Cross, top to the bottom, across, top to the bottom. Okay, so you come here, 1 times 9. You bring your operational sign, which is minus. And here you write the numerator first, 2 times 7. Okay, now you come to the bottom, 7 times 9 give us 63. 1 times 9 give us 9. You bring your operational sign, which is minus. 2 times 7, which is 14. Now you compute 9, take away 14, give you 5, which is negative. And then 63, you bring it here. Ta-da, you're done. So you have able to use this Criss Cross to compute or to evaluate this fraction, which most time is really hard for some students. So this Criss Cross is so powerful. All right, so we can also use this Criss Cross method to solve a rational equation. If I say rational equation, it means fractional equation. They all mean the same. Here, the only condition is that we are not going to multiply the denominators as we did when we were doing the expression. Here, all that we have to do is just cross multiplication. So from top to down across. So here we get x times 2. Then here you bring the equal. Remember when we were doing the expression, we were bringing the operational sign. Here there's the equation sign, so you bring the equation sign, numerator times that denominator. Here in MEB, when we have a variable and a number, we write the number first, so we have 2x equals to 30 here. Alright, so here what number would we multiply together? 2 times one number will give us 30. We know it's 15, but if you still having trouble, it's multiplying. So you want to get rid of this, you divide by itself. Whatever you do here, you repeat the same thing here. So here turns into 1, which you get 1x. And here give you 15. And remember, 1x can also be written as just x. We ignore the 1 and then we write this. And here, finish. We have able to use this Criss Cross multiplication to solve our variable in the rational equation. Okay, let's use it to solve this rational equation. So here, Criss Cross, which is top to the bottom, across top to the bottom. Okay, here since we have 2 terms, we have 2x and plus 1. You can as well put the parentheses around. You know that they are all moving together. Okay, so if that is the case, we write this one first, which is 5 times 3 equals to. Here, I could have write this one first, but let's bring the number first. 3 outside, 2x plus 1, close it. So now when we do the Criss Cross multiplication, we realize that the fraction is gone. Now we have all of them in the same line or in the whole number so that we can able to deal with it. So here 3 times 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, that gives us 15. Here you have a number standing outside here, it's being distributed, so it's going to multiply this, it's going to multiply this, and at the same time it's going to multiply this also, so that we can remove the parentheses, or some people will say the bracket. So this times this give us, you're just multiplying the number, so you get 6, and then you bring your variable, and then this times this, you get 3. Okay, so here we are trying to solve for x, but x is hiding here, so we have to get rid of this and then get rid of this. So we have 2 tasks that we have to do. All right, so what we do is that we going to subtract 3 because we want to make here 0, so we subtract 3. Whatever we do here, we repeat the same thing. So here minus 3. All right, so here will give us 12, and here will give us 6x. So our last step that we have to do, you can really interpret that 1 number times 6 will give you 12. If you are still in trouble, here is multiplying, so we are going to apply the opposite force. So multiplication, opposite of multiplication is division, so we divide here by 6, and we divide here by 6. Here becomes 1, but as you all know, we can just write it as x, and here 12 divided by 6 give you 2. Okay, you can, if you don't like it this way, you can just reverse it and say x is equals to 2, because it's all the same. If you look at in front of you, it's you. When you turn back, it's the same you person. So you can do it this way, and you're done. I hope it helps. All right, have a great, wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe.